Okay, so when you get your kit, you get the vehicle and you're going to get the suitcase. Inside of the suitcase, you're going to find a screen and your remote. To start with the screen, it's very simple. All you need to do is open the sun shield. This will help you when you're outside to see where you are. You're gonna have to power it up, and after the device will start powering up, you're gonna get kind of a snow. You're gonna press the search button and the automatic search will start looking for the vehicle. What it's looking for right now is between the channels to see which channel will give you the clearest view of the camera. It's usually take about a minute or two to do that, so you have to be patient. Here we go, and it's all set up. Now it can actually see us. You can see clearly the shop. It's kind of harder to see because there's light on it. So the receiver is ready. Now we're gonna set it back over here, and we're gonna grab our remote controller. The remote controller is very simple. After you start a vehicle, make sure this is your throttle to go backward and forward, left and right. This is going to be the setup for you to bring up and down the camera, left and right, and this will be your switch for the light. Very simple. Now turn it back on, and the vehicle is ready. So let's start with something simple, is to set up the light on and off. Now the vehicle right now is on the off mode because we first turn on the remote, then the vehicle, we go on top here, turn it on, and we are all set. Let's start with the camera. So our camera can go up and down, left and right, and while it's doing it, you can see on the small viewer that it's going left and right, up and down. You can see the floor, you can see the ceiling. Now, assuming that you need more light, let's hook it up directly to the camera, and we have a very bright light that will lit any area that you're gonna go to. It is giving you a very wide turn for the camera and very high angle up and down to look to the ceiling or whatever plumbing situation that you have to check. To drive the vehicle backward and forward, done by this stick over here. So you're going to push it forward, backward, left and right. Very important thing to know, those vehicles can get stuck from time to time because you're talking about radio frequency that have interference, especially when you go under the house. You may have lines running on the screen. It's a normal thing for any vehicle, any drone. It's part of the business. Now, the camera is going to be your most important part. As soon as you stop for a second and point the camera somewhere, it will start getting more and more clear. It takes a second or two for the camera to focus automatically on whatever you're trying to actually view. Let's shut off the light so you can see the camera actually going up and down, left and right. So this is the basic tutorial how to work with this vehicle. Now the system also able to record the entire view under the house, and it can get customized for whatever request the customer want. You can get it to go with the bigger screen, better remote controller, even bigger vehicle or smaller vehicle. You just have to let me know what you want. Next video will show you how it's look under the house. Please pay attention to the details and give us a call if you would like to order. Now one more thing before we end up over here this video, if we're gonna look right here into this case, when you get the case and you open the top of the case, you will have here more wires, charging ports and other accessories that you might need, and they are hidden here on the back, so you're never gonna get stuck. It also comes with a charger for the vehicle and couple charger for the lithium batteries. This vehicle can save you a lot of work, especially in the days that you don't want to crawl under the house when it's very hot or it's very cold and wet underneath. This vehicle is waterproof, so water should not damage it, but you cannot go underwater with it, of course. Thank you for watching. Give us a call and share this video so your friend can enjoy it too, and if they need to order and use our services, we'll be more than happy to help them.